Hello, this is a free sample by the brand. So mine are colored black, as you can see, the black bunny, and they are women's loafers. Let me start by saying that they are very comfortable, plus also very stylish. I love them orange color here. This is how they look inside. Because it's a seven, and I'm a seven, but they're also a seven and a five, 7.5. They can be a little bit wide, but if I put some insoles inside, they will fit perfect. Also, I like them because you can wear them with socks, so your feet are warm and comfortable, and you can use it with different outfits. The sole is made of rubber, so even if you walk on wet surfaces, it reduces the chances of you slipping and falling. I like them in this case. I'm matching them with white socks and jeans. So you see, I just put them on super quick. The back doesn't bother me, which was a concern if this is going to bother the back of my feet, but it doesn't. It's super comfortable, and also they're super cute. I'm looking forward to matching them with my favorite skirts and shorts. I hope you enjoy them. They have another different color, which is also very cute and very colorful. My taste, I prefer the black. Thank you for watching.